dark side.
Alright, here we are. We're going to do some offset turning, guys. I'm not going to make anything. I'm just trying this for the first time, so I figured I'd take you along with me. We'll do this together. Alright, let's make sure I can offset. This is just a junk piece of oak wood I got. We're gonna turn this. I'm debating on which way I want to start this. I got my lathe on as low as it'll go because I'm just kind of new to this. I don't want to try to do it too fast and bust my head. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. Hey guys, I got interested in doing this by watching Steve Twydell over there from Wood Turning Live with Steve Twydell. His channel link will be in the description below and at the end screens at the end of the video. So if you want, definitely go check them out. It's always a good show over there with a bunch of great people. If you haven't already, hit the like button and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, now we're gonna jump over to from 1 to 3 and go up 1. All right, we'll loosen that up. Come over here, break that free. We're gonna come right. 1, 2, 3. Put that nice and tight. Spin this around, make sure everything clears. That may be an issue. There's a big void in this. I don't know if it's going to handle. See the big hole? We're going to continue to keep trying, but you know what? I think just to be on the safe side, we're going to saturate the shit out of this. Super glue. Just let that dry. Tighten this up. That. This ain't gonna be nothing. We're just practicing. Might not even be doing that if this breaks off. Let's hope for the best. Bring it back when it's dry. All right, well, we're all set. Let's see what happens. You know, it may break because of this down here. It may break on me, but we'll see what happens. If it breaks, it breaks. We'll just start over. Okay, so 1, 4. We're going to go to 2 now, and then we'll do 3. And we'll see what kind of pattern we get, okay? Let me change, and I'll bring you back. All right, we got it all changed up. We're on number 2 now. And then we're going to go do 3. And that should give us kind of the same look as this side, but it'll be a different offset. Make sure that's good tight. All right, here we go. I did mention this was junk wood, right? Yeah, it's just junk wood. All right, so that was 2. Now we're going to go to 3, and we're going to just keep on doing the same thing until we get up to here somewhere. And then I may put it straight and try to make something out of it, but we'll see what it is. I have no idea. I have no idea. All right, I'll bring you back when I get changed. All right, now we got it set on 4. All right, so we went from 1 to 3 to 2, and now to 4. So it's going to be kind of a weird offset. Right here, there's a real rough spot, so I'm not really sure what this is going to be like, so I hope it doesn't snap on me. But like I said, it's rotten wood, and we're just practicing. So far, this is looking really cool, though. I did put some super glue down here, just because that was really bad, really rotted. A big rotten spot right in the middle, so. All right, let's get to it. Now to the side. Do I do one more? Or do I call it good? Let's do one more. All right, let's do one more. I'll bring you back. All right, now we're back on 1. Back on 1. All right, well, there's that. All right, let's straighten it out, clean it up here. That's it. Pretty close. So get it tightened up. About as tight as it's gonna get. All right, come up here. Make sure this thing turns around. All right. There we go. That's what I wanted to happen. All right, guys. Right here at this point, I'm drilling holes. I thought that maybe I could turn it into a tea light candle holder. However, that didn't work out. That didn't work out at all. The the diameter of that was actually small. Well, it was actually about the same size as a tea light, aluminum candle holder. The little sleeve that fits over it. So no matter how much I tried to widen it out, there wasn't enough wood to make it viable. If I would have been thinking, I would have carved it out. Drilled a hole and carved it out first. But I wasn't thinking about that. I was thinking about making these new cuts, the off center cutting. And as you can see, you know that turned out okay. I mean, the wood's kind of sketchy. It's got wormholes in it. There's a wormhole there, and over there's wormholes there. All it's wormhole. I mean, it's worm food, basically. It would have been cool, and I bet you if I would have finished it, it would have been pretty. However, it it would have never been able to be sold or anything. I would have ended up either having to give it away or just using it myself. And well, I don't use candles, so they're fire hazards. So Yeah. Um, Either way, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you had a good time here. I hope you learned something with me as I learned it myself. I appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support to the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe now for more content like this. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out. You don't know the power of the dark side. The power of the dark side.